Hi, this is Sose University. This is our opening for the technology SAP ABAP EHS. The company name is Clonut Solution Private Limited. The email ID and the contact number will be given in the video description. So you can apply from there. The location is India. The second technology is SPCM. Company name is Unique Occupational Service Private Limited. Experience need is 3 to 12 years. Locations anywhere. The third technology is full stack developer. Company name is Webwork Data Center India. The location is Haryana. The fourth technology is MongoDB for the company Varahe Atlas. Education required is bachelor's degree in computer science. Location is India. The fifth technology is MongoDB developer. Company name Ekfrazo Technologies Private Limited. Experience here is 1+ years or 5+ years of relevant experience. Location is Pan India. The link will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.